it has to become thick, not runny, because I don't know the effect. It will probably they won't rise. So until this becomes thick, then we will add the other ingredients. And the other ingredients are 1 egg yolk, we take out the white, 1 tablespoon brandy. I was explaining to him we don't have brandy, but actually brandy means you can put whiskey, you can put vodka, you can put rum, or you can put ouzo. And that I have all the time.
You have ouzo all the time.
Ouzo. So,
In Greek, you probably know.
ouzo all the time. And then we're going to put half teaspoon of baking powder. The preparation is to make them round, and then we take a clove, a whole clove, and put on top. We put them on a baking sheet, cookie sheet, and then we bake them for 18 to 20 minutes. And then when it says more of confection sugar, we put them in, and they dissolve the confection sugar, and we sprinkle a little bit more on the top, and then bon appetit, they're ready. But they are delicious. What it doesn't say here is the walnuts or almonds, because sometimes people will have allergies to walnuts and almonds, so these are without. But if you two are not allergic to almonds, I tell you they're much better. They're much better.
Do you put on ground almonds, or what kind of almonds? Ground?
Yeah, ground.
Ground, okay.
And you can come and see the mix is thick.
Oh, yeah.
Like that. So now we will go baking powder.
Well, put it off. I thought I felt like something was on me.